So for the longest time, I have thought about having an eyelid surgery to get my hooded and downturned eyes look more lifted and elongated. But what held me back far from the pain and risks was that it is a trend. And I do not want to permanently look a certain way because of a trend. And I think what is more important than to follow these toxic trends is to hold back and look at yourself every day and try to accept what is indirectly seen as a flaw in the beauty world. Because that flaw can be the next trend in the future. I love how every day we get a step closer to self-love and body positivity and let no longer the media decide what's beautiful and what's not. Talking about self-love, I have learned to embrace my hooded eyes. I think they give my eyes a unique, sympathetic gaze. More importantly, I'm blessed with a healthy vision. I can see, experience, and make memories with them. Being a makeup artist, I have the skill to emphasize them differently. I can make them look round, lifted, small, big, colorful, and all that with the help of makeup. So if I ever need or feel the urge to follow a trend, I can do that with makeup perfectly. And you know what's best about it is that I'm not losing my uniqueness, because makeup is just an enhancement to what already is beautiful underneath. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I lift my hooded eyes decently and naturally using only concealer and a cream contour product. First of all, I contour my crease line by cutting my crease with the cream contour. I use a flat dense applicator brush to cut my crease fold with the product. Then I extend the line and create a wing. Next, I extend my lash line on the edge using the same flat dense brush. I connect the extended line with the wing above. The end result looks like a wing. Now we can use a flat angled brush like the one from Alpha Makeup and start to blend the applied product upwards to lift and elongate the eyes. Now it is time to conceal with a concealer that is brighter than your foundation. Apply a small amount under your brow bone and a thin layer under the contoured extended lash line to make the lift more obvious. Then I use a lash curler to lift my lashes before applying mascara. I apply mascara in zigzag motions. This step is optional, but you can lift the eyes further using a brown cream kohl liner and extend the upper lash line and at the same time line the whole upper waterline. Then use an eyeliner brush and go over the line to make it more sharp at the ends. To complete the look, I apply half lashes only on the outer part of my eyes. Half lashes are great to only focus on the outer half of the eye as they lift the eyes further. With this natural look, bushy brows look gorgeous. So first of all, fill in your brows, applying small strokes onto your skin beneath the hairs and then brush your brows in the hair growth direction. At the end, use a brow gel to fix them. Brush them in the direction you'd like the brow hairs to be fixed. As you can see, this looks already lifted naturally now compared to before. But if you want to further elongate the eyes and achieve those trendy, foxy / Bella Hadid eyes, hell, you do not need surgery for that. Just pop in this instant facelift tool, which is known as an eye lifting strap, and you will be amazed at the results. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any brand, and I got this tool from browsing Amazon and wanting to try out of curiosity. I just can assure you it does not look weird like the lifting tapes. These are more secure and you can hide them under your hair. Plus, you can adjust how elongated you want your eyes by adjusting the tightness of the strap to your needs. I will link the product down below in the description box. And that is how I basically lift my eyes without the need of surgery. If you're considering undergoing a dangerous surgery just because you want to look a certain way, basically like everyone else nowadays, then make sure to ask yourself whether it is something you really want. I bet it was not something you considered before it all became a hype. At least, this is how I felt. Never really knew I had hooded eyes before all this. But I learned to love them, plus they make me creative and give me ideas to create content for you guys. I have a lot of hooded eyes tutorials on my channel, make sure to check those out as well. Other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this style of tutorial. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and let me know if you want more of these positive mindset style makeup tutorials with a red heart in the comment section. Last but not least, I would appreciate your stay on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and follow my journey here and on Instagram, where I update you about my daily life. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to love your hooded eyes.